V našem improviziranem studiu na frankfurtskem avtomobilskem salonu pa zdaj gostim šefa dizajna pri Audiju. Hello, it's a pleasure to see new exciting things. What's going on with Icon? Looks good.
There's a whole story, With the Audi A8 we introduced autonomous driving level 3. With the Audi e-tron Sportback, which is now able to drive level 4, and we call it Audi E-Lane. We came up with the idea we have to show a vision what means Audi AI, so driving autonomous level 5, and that's the idea behind the Audi Icon.
What's bringing the autonomous level 5?
So level 4 means that the car is taking over everything, so you can bring your seat backwards, the interface is moving with you, and level 5 is one step ahead, that means no steering wheel anymore. And the big challenge is you have to think about, if there's no steering wheel, no dashboard, how do you operate this car? So we think about a very, very intelligent interface.
And you as a designer and your team need to think outside the box, because now we have no driver in the car, we don't have a co-driver, we can just put it around, make something else over the space inside the car.
Exactly, but first of all I have to say that this car is designed for the use case for an intercity, so that means from one big city to the other one. It's one use case. And if you think about to design interior where there's no steering wheel anymore, we can create on a white piece of paper. So we changed we modified completely the layout of the car. In A8, the first class seats in the back. In the Icon, why do you have to sit in the back? It's a better view on the road and on the whole environment in the front. That's why we moved the back seats to the front.
Do the new standards in design, as far as a futuristic view, and then bring the new issues to the cities? Will the cities change with the traffic that's coming to them? You know what I mean? The architecture is going to change, the infrastructure is surely going to change at some point of view. Do you think about it when you design a car?
Definitely, because I think that the car has to change as well. For example, if you want a passenger to pass the road, today you get a view to the driver, the driver recognizes me and you walk through the road. What you're doing is there's the car coming and I'm sleeping. So that's why we thought about and we can visualize this, that we communicate with the headlights with the pedestrians. This is something which we have to think about as well, not only cities, we as well.
Do you have a switch when you design the futuristic cars where you can put all your creative work at the highest level and then go back to the cars that are, let's say, boring?
No, first of all, there are no boring Audis, first of all. No, when I enter our design studio, already I'm living in the year 2000. Now we're designing the cars which go to production in the year 2021. So you're always 4 or 5 years.
Can we look at the pictures?
Maybe later. Now we are already in the future. And the Icon is a small step ahead in the future. And you always, for us, we need visions like this to influence our production cars.
So we can, when you look at the Icon, we can say this is the direction the Audi design is going to go in the future?
Many details, like the face, like the side section, like the rear, we'll see very close in future production cars at Audi.
The other big gun that you're bringing here to Frankfurt is an A8. But when you look at the Icon, it's a lot more boring.
I have to say it's not boring, it's more quiet. You know that the A8 is a premium luxury car. The interior is, I have to say, a revolution. No buttons anymore, new interface. And the exterior is definitely, we do it really more quiet because there are other cars coming in the market like the A7, which is a lot more extreme than the A8.
How do you, in your design group, separate those two who are very similar, but they still need to be a bit apart from each other, A7 and A8?
When I started Audi, I came up with a design strategy, which I present on my first days to the board. And there is an overall design theme, but each car should have an own character. A8 is luxury, is stressing the length of the car, and A7 is really extreme, very sporty. So each kind of future will have an own character.
Thank you for your time. It was a pleasure.
Pleasure.
Thank you.